In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off red and green lines in Microsoft Word. If you are seeing red and green lines underneath words and sentences while working in Microsoft Word, these are spelling and grammar indicators. The red lines usually identify possible spelling errors, while the green lines can indicate possible grammar issues. If you prefer to work without these lines appearing in your document, you can turn them off through the Word settings. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and open the document where you want to remove the red and green lines. Once your document is open, go to the upper left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you can access different Microsoft Word settings. From the menu on the left side, scroll down and click on Options. This will open the Word Options window, which contains different settings that control how Word behaves while you work. Now, look at the list on the left side of the Word Options window and click on Proofing. This section contains settings related to spelling and grammar checking. Under the section labeled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, you will see several options that control how Word checks your document while you type. To turn off the red spelling lines, look for the option labeled Check Spelling as you type. Remove the check mark from this option by clicking the box beside it. Next, to turn off the green grammar lines, look for the option labeled Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Click the checkbox beside this option to remove the check mark as well. With both options unchecked, Microsoft Word will no longer display the red spelling indicators or the green grammar indicators while you type. After making these changes, look at the bottom of the Word Options window and click OK to apply the settings and close the window. Now, return to your document. The red and green lines should no longer appear underneath words and sentences as you work. Keep in mind that turning off these options only changes how Word checks and displays spelling and grammar issues while you type. It does not change the actual words or sentences in your document. If you ever want Word to display these spelling and grammar indicators again, you can return to the same Spella settings and enable the two options by checking their boxes again. And that's it! You have successfully turned off the red and green lines in Microsoft Word by changing the spelling and grammar checking settings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,